Hi kids, welcome to Kids World. Today I have a rumor story for you. Come, let's go into the video. One day there lived a small sparrow in a palm tree. She built her nest in the palm tree and laid eggs in the nest. She always used to speak ill of others. She was a disparager. She always used to spread rumors about others. She used to find faults with other birds and other creatures. As she was a niggler, she did not know how to find good things in other creatures. One morning, she met her neighbor dove while she was on the way of searching her prey. Immediately, the small sparrow started to spout her hackneyed stuffs about the opposite neem tree dove. She was telling very wrong things about the dove residing in the opposite side neem tree. When her neighbor dove heard all these ill behaviors of the opposite neem tree dove, she got angry. She started to fight with the neem tree dove. There was a heavy fight going on between this neem tree dove and opposite side neem tree dove. As a result of this fight, both the dove were drenched in blood. Some other day, the small sparrow went to meet her friend who was an elephant. As usual, she started to tell all sorts of backbites about the neighbor elephant to her friend elephant. Due to this rumor, this friend elephant got a bad impression about the neighbor elephant. This friend elephant was angry and started to fight with the neighbor elephant about whom the sparrow spoke very bad things. Both the elephant started to fight with each other, and the little sparrow was really enjoying that moment. One day evening, small sparrow met a monkey, and as usual, sparrow told some unwanted stories about the neighbor monkey to this monkey. This monkey became angry on hearing this news and wanted to attack the neighbor monkey, and the squabble started between the two monkeys. Likewise, the small sparrow was always responsible for all these squabblings. She was the only creature who was the root cause for all this pettifoggery. All the other creatures knew very well about this small sparrow, but still nobody could do anything to the small sparrow, as no one could mend the activities of sparrow. So all the other creatures were very much fed up with the sparrow because of his mean-minded activities. Nobody liked to talk to the small sparrow, as she always tried to poke up her dirty nose into others' affairs. One day, there was a heavy storm and heavy wind and rain in that place. The tree where the small sparrow was residing was a thin tree. This tree was dancing in the wind as if it would fall along with the root very soon due to the storm. So the small sparrow, which laid eggs in the nest, wanted to shift her nest to the neem tree where the dove was residing. It sought the permission of the dove to shift her nest, but the dove never accepted to give permission to the sparrow, because the dove felt that the sparrow would create some problems to the dove in future if she shifts her nest here. Likewise, the sparrow wanted to shift her nest to some other trees, but no other creatures allowed the sparrow to enter into their own tree, as the sparrow would do some collapse in their lives. So the sparrow could not get any place at any tree. At last the tree fell down and all the eggs laid in the nest were broken down. Sparrow flew away. She was in very much distress, but she could realize her mistake that unnecessarily she interpreted in others' life. That's why she had to face all these unfortunate consequences. Children, don't speak ill about others. Don't find faults with others. If you start to do so, you might face some big loss in your future. Children, if you like this video, tell your parents to like it, share it and comment on it. Please subscribe this channel, Kids World. Next time I'll come along with some other story. Thank you so much.